Hello friends, in today's video we will see how to create Windows RDP in Linode. Let's start. Leave Debian in the image. After that you can select anyone in the region. You can select any CPU. Set the password in the option of root password. After that you go down and click on Create Linode. It will take 1 minute to create. Now go to Configuration and click on Edit. Then select Full Virtualization. Select Direct Disk in Boot Settings. Then click on Save Changes. Click on Rescue. After that click on Reboot into Rescue mode. It will take about 1 minute to reboot. Then click on Launch Console. Copy this link and paste it in the console. It will take 10 minutes for the download to complete. Download is complete. Power it off and then power it on. Now click on Launch Console. Then click on Glitch. Now we open it in Remote Desktop Protocol. RDP has been successfully connected. Now we will increase its disk space by going to the Administration tool and change the username and password. Click on Computer Management. After that, go to Disk Management to increase the disk space. Then click on Users and Groups and change the username and password. If you like the video, then like and subscribe. See you in the next video.